Okay. So now Justin is your boyfriend? He's not Nina's boyfriend no more?
I think he's my boyfriend.
This is Jessica's boyfriend.
No!
Justin isn't Jessica's boyfriend?
No!
Why not?
Screaming. This is my boyfriend.
Who's your boyfriend?
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber's your boyfriend?
Yes.
Are you sure? Does he sing to you? Or does he sing to Nina? Justin doesn't sing to Nina?
No.
Well, who does he sing to?
To me.
To me? Does he kiss you?
Yes.
Are you sure he doesn't kiss Nina? I think he's Jessica's boyfriend.
No!
Justin Bieber's not Jessica's boyfriend?
No!
Are you
Why?
sure?
No!
Is he yours?
Yes.
Do you love him? How much? That much? But I think he's Jessica's boyfriend.
No!
Okay. So he's your boyfriend. Oh shit. What's your boyfriend's name?
Justin Bieber.
What is it?
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber? Oh, okay. So Justin Bieber's your boyfriend. How does Justin Bieber sing?
Like a song that comes in the show.
In the show that he sings to me?
No, to me.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Nina was just at Justin Bieber's house. I think it's Selena's boyfriend because she's crying too. Okay, fine, he's your boyfriend.